They're braver.
Are you frightened too?
Oh no, we just wanted to be sure you weren't.
Oh, of course. Frida, was this your idea?
Oh no, it was Gertie's.
Gertie! That's the one I left out. God bless Gertie.
Why does it do that?
Well, the lightning says something to the thunder, and the thunder answers back.
I wish you wouldn't answer so loud.
Maybe, if we all sing loud enough, we won't hear the lightning or thunder.
High on a hill lived a lowly goat, lay-o-lay-o-lay-o. Loud was the voice of a lowly goat, lay-o-lay-o-lo. Folks in a town went as quite remote, lay-o-lay-o-lay-o. Lusty and clear from the goatherd's throat, lay-o-lay-o-lo. Oh, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lay. A prince on the bridge of a castle moat, lay-o-lay-o-lay-o. Men on a road with a load to tote, lay-o-lay-o-lo. Men in the midst of a table d'hote, lay-o-lay-o-lay-o. Men drinking beer and full of float, lay-o-lay-o-lo. Oh, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lay. One little girl in a pale pink coat, lay-o-lay-o-lay-o. She yodeled back to the lonely goat, lay-o-lay-o-lo. Soon her mamma with a gleaming gloat, lay-o-lay-o-lay-o. What a duet for a girl and goat, lay-o-lay-o-lo. Odelay, 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 oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lady-o-lay, oh, lay. Odelay, 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 odelay,
Francie, does Herr Detweiler know we're having coffee out here?
Yes, sir. Herr Detweiler is still on the telephone.
Oh, thank you.
No sign of the children, Francie.
Not yet, sir.
Georg, those mountains are magnificent.
Yes, well, they're not like any other mountains, are they? They're friendly. You see that green stretch of wood over there? When the wind moves through it, it's like a restless sea.
And that sweet little village.
Well, it's not a village, it's a town.
Oh, I'm sorry. I didn't mean to hurt its feelings.
It's fun being here with you. You're quite an experience for me.
You're quite an experience for me, too. Somewhere, in you, there's a fascinating man. Occasionally I catch a glimpse of him, and when I do, he's exciting.
I've never been called exciting before.
I'm beginning to understand you better now that I see you here. You know, you're a little like those mountains, except that you keep moving. How can you be away from this place as much as you are?
Well, maybe I've just been searching for a reason to come back here to stay.
Georg, I like it very much.
Ooh. Well, I can't tell what's happened to Max. I mean, I know he's desperate about getting singers for the Karlsberg Festival, but you like it here?
Well, we'd have to spend some time in Vienna. I have Henrik's estate to look after.
But I thought there was a corporation now.
It is, and I'm president.
You, the president of a corporation.
After all, I managed Hendrik's accounts for years before he died.
Oh, it's just I can't imagine you sitting behind a desk.
Well, of course I wear a business suit and smoke a big cigar.
Excuse me, Captain. Herr Detweiler would like his coffee.
While he's telephoning.
Oh, he just